JPEG here. We'll go back. Here's my VMworld directory. I mean, here's the presentation I've been showing you. Notice over here that it shows multiple versions, okay? Complete versioning built into the Octopus technology. Octopus, by the way, is based on, yes, this is a sophisticated file system or object store, but it's not brand new. It's a mature technology. This is based on our Zimbra platform, okay? Zimbra under the covers has a very sophisticated distributed object store, the Zimbra email service. And although email is completely decoupled from Octopus, you don't need Zimbra as an email system to use Octopus, we're using the technology, its underpinnings, in order to deliver Octopus, okay? So, so you see we have multiple versions here. Here's the blog that I gave out, a doc file. You can see we have nice looking previews here. And let's go back here. Now, what about sharing? Sharing is something that's pretty cool. And JJ Zhang over here is going to help me with this demo. He's sitting in the front row over there. Stand up, JJ, or raise your hand. And he's going to share some files with me. So he sent me an invitation here, and I'm going to add JJ's files to my directory. So now I go back to the portal, and let's look at JJ's docs. See, that was added here. And we've got a bunch of documents here that I can look at. And this one in particular is something I was waiting for. This is the spec, okay, for how we do sync optimizations with Octopus. But you know what? This is not exactly what I wanted JJ to give me, because I'm really a diagram guy, and I wanted a picture. So I think I'm going to add a picture here. Excuse me. Oh, add a comment. There we go. So this is real-time collaboration, chat, if you will, associated with the file. And I'm going to ask JJ to please add So JJ can now see that. This is real-time collaboration on a file. And JJ, I hope, is going to sit here and update the image with a diagram. Okay? Now, you'll notice when we do that, oh look, see there's a notification here that says this is not the current version anymore. So let's look at our little version tab here. Look, there's a version 2 now. So I'll open version 2 and press that change here. You can see here there's now a diagram in the file. Okay? Pretty cool stuff. This is real-time collaboration between people on different systems. Okay? So we're going to switch over now and show that I can see the exact same content on my iPad. Okay? And hopefully we'll be able to juggle the iPads effectively here. Okay, so here's the Octopus client. Oh, I forgot the switch. Ah, yes. Thank you, Jonathan. Here we go. This is the native client. Okay, we have native client for Octopus as well, and you can see the exact same content. See, here's JJ's docs. Okay, we can look at our sync document that we were just looking at. There you go. It's the latest version, the one with the diagram. Okay. And any of these other folders have the exact same content as well. Okay. So this is the client. Now I'm going to switch back a moment after I showed that client because there was something else that I wanted to show over here while JJ's setting up the next piece of the demo. So we have here Octopus, and when I show the multiple versions of a doc, there's something else here that I want to show, which is the doc history. This is the IT audit trail of modifications for the files. This is the enterprise-grade management that we talked about. So I can share my content easily amongst my devices or with my colleagues over the web. But there's tracking for IT, for compliance reasons, and knowing what's going on here. So this is real important, very important to add. So the last really cool thing that we're going to show in our Octopus demo is JJ's actually been recording using his iPad, because we're sharing here, and we actually have Octopus running on 4 different systems all collaborating here. And he just took a movie, and he's going to upload the movie that he just took on his iPad too into our shared directory. And then we're going to play the movie. There it is. Okay. Oh, close the comment tab. That's a good idea. Enterprise grade management that we talked about. So I can share my content easily amongst my devices or with my colleagues over the web. But there's tracking for IT, for compliance reasons, and knowing what's going on here. So this is real important, very important to add. So the last really cool thing that we're going to show in our Octopus demo is the run. So that's Octopus, really cool stuff. And thank you, JJ, and thank you, Jonathan. So.